Alright, what is up YouTube? Today is it's a very cold day. Because today we're going to be working on the Pitbike here. I got a couple of parts in over here. As you guys can see, I moved the workbench over here. I got like the open space over here, and I can put the new bike against that wall. Anyways, I have some parts over here. I got, in here I have the new chain tensioner adjusters. I don't know why it's not focusing. 1 second. It's not focusing. There you go. Got those. Then in here, I got grips and throttle cable. The throttle, just hold throttle mechanism and stuff, and grips, because plus I'm getting actually different grips. They didn't come in yet, they're out of order, because this is like a BMX grip or something like that, and it's just hard plastic, and this whole thing is like sticky, so we're gonna fix that up. And then the chain adjusters right down here, got those in red. And then in the box, I got a new shock, because the shock on this thing is for a bigger bike and it doesn't compress at all. So I'll finally have some rear suspension. Then I got a rear brake shoe for the rear brake, because the rear brake doesn't work with the shoe, like part of the metal on the shoe cracked. So that's all. We're going to be installing this stuff today. And then my friend's going to be giving me a red shifter, foldable shifter right here, this weekend. So let's get those parts. We'll just get the body taken off, the plastics taken off, and we'll install the parts. We'll probably do the shock first. Alright guys, we got the plastics taken off. I think I'm just going to tackle the shock first. Just take this guy out, put the new one in, not too hard. So I'll set you guys up and you can see that. Alright guys, got the rear shock in there. It's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good. So I'm not sure what I want to do yet, like which part. I'll probably just do, because I had to take the rear tire off to do the chain adjusters and the brake. So I guess I'll just take the rear tire off and do the brake, and then as I'm putting it back together and back on, I'll do the chain adjuster. So yeah, let's take the rear tire off. It said 50cc dirt bike, ATV, moped. But this is not for this bike for some. Alright guys, so the battery just died. I recharged it, so I'm back on the camera. The only thing I did was I tightened up the chain adjusters right here, and then the bolt that goes through the rear tire. And I took the grip off this side and the throttle tube off this side and off the carburetor. So what we're going to do now is install the grips and the grip on this side, I guess, and then the throttle tube. So let's do it. Alright guys, so I got the throttle tube and the carburetor. I just have to run up to the garage and get an Allen key for this. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got the grip on. Turns good. And springs back, yeah. So feels good too. Listen, feels pretty good, like smooth. So I'm gonna use some spray paint for this to put in here. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got the grip and I got the paint, so let's do this. You're sprayed inside the hole. You're gonna get a lot on your fingers. Take it. You want to slide it on the handlebars like this. And twist it while you push it on. Since I can't really get it on right now, I'm gonna ask my dad for help later. I'm just gonna move the kill switch over so it kind of looks like it's on all the way. It's almost not. It's just a shorter grip than the other one too. So. Save that for tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and see you guys in the next one.